Meet Kathy. After a troubling self-exam, a trip to her doctor confirms that she has breast cancer. Though the cancer was caught early and is likely treatable, Kathy is naturally still very worried about the outcome, and there's so much new information to absorb and decisions to make, like whether to undergo the genetic testing recommended by her doctor to see if her cancer may be inherited. Kathy does some research online and finds there are many different genetic tests related to breast cancer. Her doctor has suggested a panel test that includes analyzing more than a dozen genes. Kathy wonders whether she really needs all of those tests. And what about the cost? The lab's website says it can be $5,000 or more. These are all very legitimate questions, as nearly 30% of all genetic tests are not ordered appropriately or are not medically necessary, and many health plans only cover the portions of these large tests that are appropriate given the patient's medical history. This could leave Kathy and her family with another large bill to pay, on top of all the other expenses at a very stressful time. Fortunately for Kathy, her health insurance plan has partnered with eviCore Healthcare to pre-approve genetic tests, ensuring they align with the latest scientific research and will actually benefit Kathy in her cancer treatment. A doctor from eviCore reviews Kathy's case and approves only the individual tests from the panel that are truly medically necessary and will aid her doctor in diagnosing her cancer. Kathy has the tests, and her doctor soon receives the results. With this information, Kathy and her doctor are able to attack her cancer with the most effective treatments. eviCore Healthcare partners with providers and health plans to enable better patient outcomes and enhance safety. For patients, this means they receive the most clinically appropriate treatments and tests, while avoiding unnecessary cost and additional downstream procedures. For providers, it means having access to valuable resources backed by up-to-date clinical evidence, which will ensure that their patients are receiving the best tests and treatments to meet their needs. For healthcare payers, it means that their healthcare dollars are being spent on the most effective treatments and procedures for their members. eviCore's genetic lab solution is the right choice for your patients. Find out more today.